Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another product. This is from bowerswilkins.com. Bowers & Wilkins, the PX Noise Canceling Wireless Headphones. These things are beautiful and amazing. They come in two different colors, space gray and soft gold. And they have a 22-hour battery life and intelligent controls that respond naturally to your behavior for totally intuitive listening experience, according to their website. It's got best-in-class sound. It definitely is an incredible, nice sounding set of headphones. Beautiful bass, very thick and solid, great mid-range and high range. You're going to love these headphones. In fact, I keep Bowers & Wilkins' Bluetooth headphones as a reference point for all the Bluetooth headphones we use. We love the sound mapping that they use in their products, and they're great. It has a 2-year warranty on it, and it gives adaptive noise cancellation for you. So if you're going on an airplane or if you're in places where you really want the noise outside of you to be cut off, this is awesome. You can actually lift up an ear cup to talk or hang around your neck, and the PX will pause the music or resume playback when you're ready to listen. It knows kind of what you're doing with the thing. You put it on, and the sensors know that it has you on and plays the music for you. Very, very cool that way. You can block out engine noise during flights and minimize your cabin sounds. It's great sounding headphones that you can't beat anywhere else when it comes down to it, when it comes to this environment of using noise cancellation. It also comes with a PX app, so you can use to fine tune your thing, and of course download the latest firmware and all that good stuff. And you can use this on iOS and Android. I'd highly recommend these. They definitely are just really beautiful and great singing name, Bowers & Wilkins headphones. They do such a wonderful job. It's just mind-blowing. Plus, it's got USB-C inputs for charging it and everything else, which is great because that's the new standard of plug that you should be using on all your different things. Anyway, I highly recommend it. Go to bowerswilkins.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out the PX Noise Canceling Wireless Headphones.